Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to allow ping request on your Windows Server 2019. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, I will check the IP address of my Windows Server which is running on my virtual machine. So let me show you. If I'll go to start menu and type cmd command, open command prompt, and here I will type ipconfig and press enter. As you can see, my IP address is 192.168.0.198, and here is my main computer which is Windows 11, which is also in same network. If I'll go to cmd and type ipconfig, and here's my IP address, as you can see, 192.168.0.128. So now what I'll do is I will try to ping that Windows Server from my main computer. So let me show you 192.168.0.198, which is server IP address, as you can see, 198. So now I'll try to ping -t. So as you can see, ping is not working currently. So what I'll do is I'll go to my server machine, and here on the search window I just need to type firewall.cpl command. Just need to type over here. After that, click on firewall.cpl, and here you just need to type advanced settings from your left side. Here it is, as you can see. And on this window you just need to click on inbound rules, and on your right side you will get new rules. So click on that. Here you just need to select custom. Now click on next. Here protocol type, you just need to select here ICMP v4, because I am using IPv4 address. As you can see, IPv4 address. If you are using IPv6 address, then you just need to select over here ICMP v6. Okay, so I will select here ICMP v4. Okay, after that, click on next. Now here you can select from which IP address you can ping. You can select a specific IP address over here. One, like if your computer IP, if you need to put your computer IP address, you can put here and click on OK. You can also set a range, IP address range. So right now I will use this option, which is any IP addresses, and click on next. And here you just need to select allow the connection. Make sure that it is selected over here. Next, you can select here domain private and public, from where you can you want to apply this rule. And next, then here I will type the name of my role, inbound role, which is ICMP v4. Okay, now click on finish. After that, if I'll go to my main computer, let's see it's working or not. So as you can see, it's working perfectly right now. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.